Hey everyone, welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky. Today, we're going to talk about if you've been injured in a car accident, but you think you might be partially at fault, don't assume you're out of options, okay? So if you're at fault or partially at fault, you're not out of options. You got some options here. Why? Texas law allows you to recover compensation even if you were partially responsible, as long as your share of the fault is less than 51%, and that's called comparative negligence. It means the court or insurance company will assign party percentages of the fault. So if you were 20% at fault and the other driver was 80, you can still recover 80% of your damages. It's a little confusing, but it's really not when you think about it. So if you're found to be more than 50% at fault, you may be barred from recovery entirely. So 51%, you probably don't have recovery options under comparative negligence. So let's say you were speeding slightly, but the other driver ran a red light. The insurance company may try to argue that your speed contributed to the crash, but that doesn't let them off the hook. The key here is documenting what happened with police reports, witness statements, and medical records, right? We're going to use those documents to help build your case. So even if fault is shared, you can still recover damages like medical bills, lost wages, even property damage, and pain and suffering. The more evidence you have showing that the other party's negligence, the stronger your case becomes. Remember, we don't want 51% at fault because that could bar your claim, but we want to get it lower. So that's why hiring an attorney is going to make sense here. It's going to make a big difference. Insurance adjusters are trained to reduce or deny your claim by shifting blame back onto you. That's what they do. They come out there, they look at every little thing, every little spot, and they just like, oh, it's their fault, their fault. They are going to ask tricky questions too. They're going to suggest that you were distracted and not wearing a seatbelt because they want to, they want to make sure in court they can get you. Don't fall into that type of trap. Let your attorney handle all communications and negotiations. Talk to my attorneys, what you tell them. Keep in mind though, fault isn't always black and white. Sometimes multiple parties are going to be involved, right? Like a multi-vehicle pilot, 3 cars hit each other, everyone might have some fault there. Or a defective traffic signal or road condition can have contributed to the accident. Your legal team is going to investigate every angle. Texas gives you 2 years from the day of the accident to file a personal injury claim. But evidence is going to fade very fast. They might replace that broken traffic light, right? Delaying can weaken your claim and give your insurance company more room to argue against you. It's also important to continue medical treatment and follow your doctor's advice. So if you were hurt, do what the doctor says. Gaps in care are often used to argue that your injuries were serious or related to the crash. If you've been hurt in an accident and you're worried you were partially at fault, do not give up, okay? Call the law office of Bryan Fagan today. You can schedule a free consultation online as well. We'll fight for the compensation you deserve, no matter how complicated the situation, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.